Comparison of 14 data visualization tools, Part 2. Data visualization tools use eye-catching imagery to translate data into insight. Even with the most advanced AI-fueled analytics tools, professionals still extract incredible value from the visual interpretation of data points. Data visualization is beneficial because it leverages the most effective way for humans to gain new information: vision. In the era of exponential data growth and the increased number of touch points through which we gather data, having an ally such as a data visualization tool is not a bad idea. To this end, in this second part of our two-part video series, we have gathered an overview of 8 different data visualization softwares to compare, including Sisense, Klipfolio, Plotly, Visually, Chart.JS, Fusioncharts, Googlecharts, and D3.js. The differentiating criteria include integration, visualization styles, ease of use, the amount of data, and price. Make sure to check out our other video if you wish to learn about the first part of the comparison series with 6 additional data visualization tools, including Tableau, Power BI, DataBox, ChartBlocks, Infogram, and Data Wrapper. Data visualization software differentiating criteria. Integration. Data visualization software works by connecting with different company systems that fuel its engine with the information. As a rule, the more systems the data visualization software can connect with, the more data it can tie together. Therefore, the more valuable it will be. Visualization styles. Data visualization refers to the representation of data in a graphical format. When professionals think of visualization styles, they typically think of bar graphs and pie charts. However, there are many other types of visualization companies can use to showcase information in a clear and concise format, such as maps and Gantt charts. Ease of use. Some data visualization solutions have a steeper learning curve than others. This criterion considers user interface and ease of learning. We have used customer feedback from G2 to help us determine how easy each platform is to use. Amount of data. When working with data visualization software, companies often deal with large amounts of data points. Different systems will have various abilities when it comes to the amount of data they can process, especially if they are free of charge. Price. This criterion will review the price of the software and will note if a free trial is available. Data visualization tools comparison. Sisense. Sisense is an analytics-focused data visualization tool currently serving companies across various industry verticals, including Sony, ESPN, Comcast, and NASA. The software is a recognized leader by Forrester and Gartner in the data visualization and analytics space. Sisense brings user-friendly embedded analytics into everyday business tools such as Slack, Salesforce, or G Suite to allow professionals to fuel data to the dashboards from multiple data sources. With Sisense, users can benefit from embedded analytics visuals that can provide customized alerts and action-based widgets to facilitate efficient collaboration. Klipfolio. Klipfolio is one of the leading data visualization softwares that integrates with any data source. It brings interactive dashboards with visual analytics that automatically keep your data in sync. Additionally, the software offers historical data comparisons to track growth or changes over time. The dashboards are visually appealing and customizable, giving extra options for business executives to validate their decision-making processes. Plotly. Plotly offers browser-based interactive data statistics and analytics visualizations. The platform facilitates the creation and modification of apps that help data scientists present and visualize their data without needing to learn how to code through its open-source platform called Dash. With Dash, professionals can build industry or enterprise-specific dashboard apps or interfaces to display Plotly's visualizations. The real benefit of Plotly and Dash is in its scalability, as it goes beyond what basic data visualization tools offer, bringing capacity for NLP, object detection, and predictive analytics. With over 500,000 downloads per month, Dash is the new standard for AI and data science apps. Visually, a marketing solution Visually acquired by Scribble Live in 2019 provides on-demand and scalable services for the production of visual outputs and content. This data visualization solution offers a wide range of products and services, including video production, infographics, PR, communication solutions, and visualization of data, to name a few. The service provider works with over 1,000 talented journalists, developers, and designers seeking to deliver bespoke data visualization outputs. Consequently, Visually positions itself as a comprehensive yet cost-effective marketing collaboration platform that can meet even the most complex requirements. Visually works on the basis of providing customized quotes for its services. Chart.JS. Chart.JS is an open-source HTML5 charting service provider. As a JavaScript library for data visualization, it supports 8 graph types, including line, bar, radar, pie, polar area, bubble, scatter, and area charts. The solution deploys a 3-step chart creation process that is easy to execute. To begin, users must choose a place on their website where a graph will be displayed. Secondly, they need to decide on the kind of diagram they need to create. Finally, provide data, labels, and any other necessary information to the program. As a result, Chart.JS is a highly customizable data visualization tool that allows you to create responsive visualizations that are mobile-friendly. Therefore, it is a solid alternative for businesses that need prompt and visually appealing graphs at no cost. Fusioncharts. Fusioncharts is a Java-based platform used by over 800,000 developers in 28,000 companies to build online and mobile visual dashboards. Furthermore, the tool is compatible with a wide range of frameworks and programming languages. Therefore, Fusioncharts visual projects can be embedded anywhere. Due to the software's primary emphasis on creating business operations dashboards, users can track essential indicators and monitor the performance of various departments within an organization, as well as evaluate monthly and yearly revenues, financial investments, and performance targets. Googlecharts. Since its inception in 2007, Googlecharts has positioned itself as a powerful, cloud-based data visualization tool that assists businesses in displaying data on their respective websites. The tool can be used to easily create basic line charts or large hierarchical maps with minimal JavaScript expertise. Googlecharts offer a set of default templates, including geo, column, bar, pie, and organization charts. Nevertheless, Google enables users to customize the look of the diagrams to meet companies' needs better. Additionally, the program can be readily integrated with Google Sheets and Fusion tables, along with being equipped with cross-browser compatibility and cross-platform portability. Given that it's an entirely free product, this may be a great option for businesses looking to maximize the effect of reporting while still keeping the costs down. D3.js. D3.js is a JavaScript library that empowers efficient manipulation of documents based on data using web standards such as HTML, SVG, and CSS. The platform is open source, meaning its code is customizable. Still, modifications will require JavaScript development knowledge. D3 combines powerful visualization and interaction techniques with a data-driven approach to enable companies to design their own visual interface for their data. Final thoughts. In today's data-driven climate, enterprises deal with large volumes of data, often missing the key insights that the data can deliver. With the right data visualization software in the technology toolbox, decision-making becomes more straightforward, real-time, and accurate. If you want to adopt a data visualization tool and aren't sure how it will fit within your MarTech stack, then reach out to our team at Behavioural Response to obtain a more holistic insight. That's all I have for you today. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this so that you can take your marketing automation to the next level. And don't forget to activate notifications to receive the latest videos. Thank you for watching.